Hi, welcome to EQ Connect. I'm Julia, and in this short guide, I'll show you how to register, build your portfolio, and engage with the companies you invest in. The registration process is quick and easy. All you require to get started is your name, email address, and to set a password. From the landing page, click the option to register as investor. Input your name, email address, and password. Press the eye icon to check you have typed your password correctly. Once you've read the terms and conditions, tick the option and then click register. We will send you the authentication email for the next step. Just input the 6-digit code to finalize the registration process. You will receive a welcome email following this to confirm that the registration process is complete. Once you've completed the authentication process to register for an account, click the option and input your email address and password to log in. When you log in, you will see the portfolio landing page. Portfolio is broken down into 3 sections: My Portfolio, Wishlist, and Recently Added. Use the search bar to locate companies. You don't need to be a shareholder to add it to your portfolio, so add as many as you have interest in. Companies that are participating in EQ Connect will be displayed under My Portfolio. Any showing under Wishlist are not yet signed up to EQ Connect, but adding them will enable us to highlight interest in the EQ Connect service. Once you've added companies to your portfolio, click the icon in the top right corner and then select the Meetings option from the menu. The Meetings landing page is used to display any upcoming, recommended, and archived meetings. Scroll down to check for any upcoming events. Click the Sign Up button to participate in the meeting and receive notifications. You can submit any questions you have for the company prior to the meeting taking place. If you can't make the meeting, you can come back here to view the recording, transcription, AI summary, and any other available resources. EQ Connect facilitates engagement between companies and investors. If you would like to have greater insight into your investments, sign up today. Thank you for watching.